Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get started buying coins on Solana. So in order to purchase coins on Solana, you can use Phantom Wallet. Now in order to get Phantom Wallet, you will have to open your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar, you will have to type Phantom Wallet. After that, you just have to download and install Phantom Wallet in your device, and then you just have to launch it. And after providing your email address and by creating a strong password, you just have to create your account on the Phantom Wallet. Now if you already have an account on Phantom Wallet, then you need to provide your email address and your password, and then you simply need to log in into your account. Now, in order to purchase coins on Solana using Phantom Wallet, you first need to have Solana in your account. Now, in order to purchase Solana over here, you will have to tap on buy, and then you will have to select Solana. After that, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to purchase, and then you need to press next. Once done, you will be landed on this payment page where you are going to see two different options like MoonPay and Coinbase Pay. So you will have to select the method that best suits you. For this video, I have selected MoonPay. So if you have selected the same, then you will be redirected on the next page where you need to provide your payment details like your debit or credit card details. Now, if you have selected MoonPay, then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see that how much USDT you will need if you want to purchase this much amount of Solana. So over here, you will have to press continue in the bottom, and then it will ask you to create your MoonPay account as well. So you need to provide your email address, and then you will have to press continue. After that, you will have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to conclude your payment, and then you will be able to see Solana in your wallet. Now over here, in order to use this Solana, you will have to tap on the search bar in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you are going to see the applications. Now if you tap on tokens, then you are going to see a bunch of different tokens that you can add into your Phantom Wallet, and you can purchase them using Solana. Now over here, you will have to tap on apps, and here you are going to see a bunch of different apps such as Jupiter, Radium, that you can use to swap Solana with any other coins. So for this video, I'm going to select it as Jupiter. So you will have to click on Jupiter, and then you will be redirected on this swap page. Now over here, you are going to see this connect button in the top. So if you click on this connect button, then it will show you the Phantom Wallet or Solflare. So both of these wallets are of Solana. So as we want to do it via our Phantom Wallet, so you will have to click on Phantom Wallet, and then you need to press connect. Now once your Phantom Wallet is connected successfully, you can swap your Solana with any other coins. For that, you will have to first select Solana in the first section. Then in the receive section, you will have to select the coin that you want to swap it with. So let's say I want to purchase this dog with hat meme coin. So I have selected it. After that, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to swap, and then you will have to tap on the swap button in the bottom. This way, you are going to use Solana in order to purchase coins. Instead of Jupiter, you can also use Radium. So it also works the same. You just have to click on Radium, and then you will have to tap on launch app. After that, you just have to connect your Phantom Wallet with Radium, and then you can start the swapping process. Now if you want to get the contract address of any of the meme coins, then you can use CoinMarketCap. So you can either download CoinMarketCap mobile application in your device, or you can even use the coinmarketcap.com website. Now once you are over here, you can click on memes, and here you are going to find a bunch of different meme coins. So you just have to select that particular meme coin which is on Solana chain, or that you want to basically swap your Solana coin with. After that, you just have to scroll down, and here you are going to find the contract address of it. So you just have to copy this contract address, and you will have to come to the swapping page, and you will have to paste this address in order to find the coin and in order to swap it with Solana. So this is how you can easily get started, and you can start buying coins on Solana using Phantom Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.